back to another adventure. Super excited today. I'm floating with a buddy, and we're floating Cadron Creek. This is the section I did the other day where I caught that 4-pounder at, and he's like, man, let's go do that. I've never been on that section before, let's try it. Well, you know, when you plan something, the weather's always bad, and it's rained, and the creek's up about 1.5 feet, so I'm not sure how well the fishing's gonna go today, but we'll still have fun. But yeah, I'm gonna start off that same spinnerbait I used the other day, and the water it's not dingy anymore. There's a slight tinge to it, but it's not muddy, thank goodness. But yeah, it's rocking today. It's flowing pretty fast. So I did hook up the Anchor Wizard, so hopefully we can hold in the hole and get on a few bass today. But we're just doing 5 miles, and I just put in, as you can hear, the 18-wheeler behind me on the bridge. So stay tuned, and I'll meet you downstream. Dude, it was better than crappie. It was so flaky and white. Man, it was just clean meat. My wife and I ate it about, I think, Wednesday night. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Spinnerbait. Oh, my neck hung up. He came out of that log again. There's that 3-pounder. Yeah. Spinnerbait, man. I got an extra. Just got a nice 3-pounder, I'm guessing, on the chartreuse and white spinnerbait. Look at that baby right there. Woo! It's a nice fish. I'll check the length real quick. 18 inches. 18-inch fish. White and chartreuse War Eagle spinnerbait. Let's go ahead and get the scale out and measure this one real quick. I'm saying 3, maybe just shy of 3. But I thought I grabbed a brush pile at first. Bite's been super slow. I've done changed baits about 4 times. And I just kept rolling with this trusty spinnerbait. It's actually bent now. He bent it up pretty good. And smoked it. Okay, let's get the scale out. All right, this one is gonna go 214, almost a 3-pounder. Beautiful fish, way to start out the trip. Hopefully that's not the only one today. We'll go ahead and release her. Almost a 3-pounder, 214. Thank you for that awesome fight. There's a fish. Spinnerbait. A little Kentucky. There we go. He's just a little 12-inch one. Fish on. Hey, come up here and drag with me. I found him. Caught him off the black Helgermite. Phone fell out of your pocket. It's always best to go backwards. Oh, Donovan. Yeah. Oh, fish. What in the world? That was weird. I just put my bait down to make a paddle adjustment, and he hit it, I guess, on the fall. Little Kentucky. That was an odd bite. Just a little guy. There's fish. It's fighting pretty good. Spinnerbait. He was in the shady pocket. That's a nice chunk. Look at that gut. It's either feeding up or about to lay some babies there. We'll let this one go. It's probably a 13-inch one, but man, nice chunky fish. There's a fish. Spinnerbait. Yeah, apparently it's the bait today, little guy. All right, we got some rapids again. Around this curve. Let's get it, man. They're not too bad, I'm being dramatic. Woo! You say you caught it on the crawl? There's a fish. He was in the middle.
Yeah, mine's like that same size.
Yeah, small little Kentuckies. Fish on. That was cool. I saw him hit it. Oh man, look at that. That was cool. I saw him pop it sideways. Another nice little Kentucky. There's fish. Nice. On the jackhammer. Got a Kentucky on the jack. Nothing big. I think that's going to conclude today's venture. Jeff and I, we had a blast. Caught a lot of fish. Not as much as I did last time. The creek is up and it's cold and it's muddy. So they weren't biting as well as the last time I was here where the creek was clear, a little bit lower. But we still got on plenty of fish today. It still turned out to be a great day. It started off cold in the 30s, and then it finally warmed up to mid 50s this afternoon, thank goodness. Spring is in the air. I see all the trees budding. So just right around the corner, the bite's going to get hot. And I can't wait to start throwing some topwater, some whopper plopper action, frogs, whatever. The baits that were successful today was the spinnerbait, the jackhammer, and the Nico Helgermite that I got at H24 Outdoors. The color was black, which was perfect for this murky water. But anyways, as always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next adventure.